In urban areas, community gardening has emerged as a powerful tool for improving mental health. By participating in these shared spaces, individuals build connections with neighbors and foster a sense of belonging, reducing feelings of isolation. Research shows that engaging in gardening activities can significantly lower stress levels, enhance mood, and promote overall well-being. Participants often report a newfound sense of purpose as they nurture plants and contribute to communal spaces. This provides not just physical activity but also emotional rewards, showing how nature and social interaction can deeply impact mental wellness. Nature therapy, also known as ecotherapy, harnesses the healing power of the outdoors. Research shows that spending time in nature can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, promoting mental clarity and emotional well-being. Participants in nature therapy often engage in activities like hiking, gardening, or simply sitting in green spaces. A striking study found that individuals who walked in natural settings reported improved mood levels and cognitive function compared to those in urban environments. As urban life increasingly isolates people from nature, incorporating nature therapy could be the key to achieving holistic health and balance in daily life. Foraging for wild edibles offers more than just adventure. It provides remarkable health benefits. Wild plants are rich in nutrients that can surpass those found in cultivated foods. For instance, dandelions are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, supporting both immune and bone health. Additionally, the practice of forage encourages physical activity and connection to nature, enhancing mental well-being. Research indicates that spending time outdoors while gathering can significantly reduce stress and elevate mood. So next time you're in the woods or a park, consider foraging as a unique way to boost your health and connection to the earth. Nature therapy, often termed ecotherapy, embraces the healing powers of the natural world. Research indicates that spending time in nature can significantly reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Engaging in activities like nature walks or forest bathing allows individuals to reconnect with their surroundings, fostering mindfulness and a sense of grounding. Furthermore, exposure to greenery has been shown to boost immune function and enhance overall vitality. It's no wonder that many are now incorporating nature therapy into their wellness regimens, proving that sometimes the best medicine comes directly from the great outdoors. Gardening is not just about growing plants, it's a transformative practice for holistic wellness. Engaging in gardening provides essential physical activity, helping to maintain a healthy weight and boosting cardiovascular health. Studies show that spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and anxiety. Moreover, nurturing plants stimulates creativity and mindfulness, enhancing mental clarity. People often report feelings of joy and accomplishment as they witness their efforts bloom, creating a positive feedback loop that fosters emotional health. In a groundbreaking study, researchers found that individuals involved in nature-based therapy experienced a staggering 41% decrease in anxiety levels. Participants engaged in activities such as forest bathing and gardening not only improved their mental state but also reported higher levels of emotional resilience. Nature's calming presence profoundly affects our brain chemistry, promoting the release of feel-good hormones like serotonin. Furthermore, experiencing natural environments enhances mindfulness, enabling individuals to break free from daily stresses. This unique therapy is taking mental wellness to new heights, proving that nature can be a powerful ally in healing the mind. Recent studies reveal that immersing oneself in nature soundscapes can significantly improve mental and emotional health. These soundscapes, which can include birds chirping, waves crashing, or leaves rustling, help lower stress and anxiety levels. Research shows that simply listening to these sounds can enhance focus, making it easier to concentrate during study or work sessions. Moreover, nature sounds can seamlessly integrate into meditation practices, deepening the relaxation experience. With just a few moments of listening, individuals can create a serene mental space, reminding us of nature's powerful therapeutic influence on our overall wellness.